You've seen plenty of product showcase videos, but today we're sharing a shipping video of the GTZ C14 to answer some of your questions. After exiting the warehouse, you'll encounter a gentle slope designed for smooth transition onto the delivery truck. When going uphill, the vehicle body may tilt, so operate carefully to prevent the platform from touching the ground and causing scratches. In this case, maneuver the platform upward. When loading onto the truck, also prepare to cushioning iron plates to protect the edges of the truck from being deformed by the sudden weight of the equipment. Next, slowly and carefully drive onto the truck. Next, the truck will depart for the port and transport the equipment to the customer's location.